An uncontested divorce is one in which both parties have reached an agreement as to all the issues that a court would have decided in a contested divorce. Those issues can include asset division, debt division, alimony, child support, child custody, visitation. Anything that the judge would have decided, if the parties have agreed on it, then that is an uncontested divorce. Uncontested divorces generally take about 45 days from the date that the parties sign that agreement for the court to enter an order divorcing the parties. Contested divorces are more common because you have two people that are not getting along that are trying to decide big issues, and often they do not agree on how to solve that problem. If they can agree, then the parties can reach an uncontested settlement agreement and file that with the court and wrap up their divorce quite quickly. If they can't agree, then most of the time both parties will hire an attorney and file a contested action. Contested actions should generally take a lot longer and they're more expensive. You'll be asking the court to resolve the issues of your case as opposed to reaching an agreement with your spouse. It's advisable to have an attorney for a contested divorce. I would say it's advisable to have an attorney for an uncontested divorce, even if your spouse had an attorney drafted up. If you're going to be signing something that's going to have legal ramifications, have an attorney look it over. Contested versus uncontested. Uncontested is faster, it's cheaper, and you know exactly what you're going to get because you're reaching the agreement. As opposed to a contested divorce, which is more expensive, longer, and you're putting your fate into the hands of a third party, a judge that will listen to your facts and your circumstances maybe for a day or a day and a half, and then make a decision that's going to impact the next decade, maybe the rest of your life. So if possible to reach an agreement that is fair and equitable, then that is the best way to go. Unfortunately, the fatal flaw with an uncontested divorce is that it requires two people that are at odds to reach an agreement, and that is not always possible. If you have questions about whether a contested or uncontested divorce is right for you, please give us a call at Leigh Daniel & Associates. We'd be happy to help you with that.